Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how we can download and install Python on Windows 11 operating system. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you. So let us start. First of all, open your browser and here you can write down the Python download and you can see here download Python. Now you can see here download Python 3.13.5. Click on it and it downloads the Python executable file. Click on it. Here you can see the installation window of Python 3.13.5. Here you have to check these both. Use admin privilege when installing python.exe and add the python.exe to path. Otherwise you have to manually set the environmental path. So we can click here now, click install. And you can see the setup is in progress. Now you can see the setup is successfully complete. Click here close. Now you can click here start and click all apps, or you can search the Python. Here you can see the Python 3.13. First of all will check this Python 3.13. Click on it and here we can check whether it's working correctly or not. Enter here print command, the case sensitive print bracket start inverted commas begin started hello way to well and bracket closed and click enter. Here you can see it's working fine. It shows the print way to well. We can change the font. Here you can see it's working fine and click here exit. And we can also check the Python other tools. Here you can see the idle Python. Click on it. And here we can use the same command print bracket and invert command begin hello way to well invert commas close and close the bracket and click enter. Here you can see this idle shell is also working fine. This way you can download and install Python package on Windows 11 operating system. I hope you find this video informative. Please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.